With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Find the order of rotational symmetry of each of the following figure. As we can see, it's a square and there is a design inside this square particular. So we have to first of all name all of them. Let's say A, B, C, and D. Okay, and let's make a square as well so that we can understand how this will look like if you are going to rotate it. Let's say there is a square. Okay, and we have to make a particular design for this. Okay, according to the question, here is the design like this, and now we have to, yes, so now we are going to rotate this figure and see how this figure will look like after one rotation. Let's say we are going to rotate it clockwise. This will be A, B, C, and D. Okay, so after first rotation, if you are going to rotate this whole figure clockwise, then we are going to see this B will be A, okay, and the C will be B, and D will be C, and A will be D. So after clockwise like this, A, B, C, and D. Okay, and then after, if we are going to see, let's say if we have to rotate one more time because it's a exact figure what we have got in the question, so that is exactly same. So let's say if we have to consider a square, okay, then what will be the particular square will look like. Okay, let's say we are going to draw another diagram so that we can understand this particular figure. Okay, so let's say here is a square and design, let's take a design like this. Okay, and then after we have to rotate it once more. Okay, but the point is clockwise. Okay, that means if you are going to rotate it once more, then B will be A, this C will be B, and this D will be C, and D will be A. Okay, so that means this position will be A, B, and this will be C, this will be D. So that is what we are going to see after second rotation. Okay, so that is the particular observation we are going to see. And let's say, because again it's this figure is exactly same like the first figure because it's a square. Okay, and now we are going to rotate it one more time. Okay, so let's say draw a diagram again. All right, so let's say here is our particular square for this, and we have to draw this design, interior design like this. Okay, and then after we are going to rotate it one more time. Okay, so this is the rotation number third rotation, and what we are going to see in this rotation, this B will be A, similarly this C will be B, okay, and this D will be C, okay, and A will be D. That means the new A will be starting from this position, A, then B, then C, then D, and this figure is also same to the question. Okay, is exactly similar to the question. So that is the result after third rotation, but still the position of A is not like from where we have started. So we need to see one more rotation so that we'll be at the point where we have from where we have started. Okay, so let's say here we have square and this particular design, what we can see inside the square. Okay, and then after let's write down all the sides. Okay, so after fourth rotation, this will be our result. Okay, after fourth rotation, that means we can easily say this B will be A, okay, and this C will be B, and this D will be A will be D. Okay, so this particular figure and position is exactly same from where we have started, like this. Okay, so that is why the order of rotational symmetry is 4 in this case. Order of rotational symmetry is 4 in this case. Okay, so we can simply tell this is our final answer is 4.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.